Welcome to Road Misfit 187. Make sure to check out the links below and subscribe. Alright, all my YouTube friends, I just wanted to announce that I made a big change to the golf cart. You know my previous videos, I showed you how to convert your regular electric golf cart into 3 deep cycle batteries to save a lot of money and weight. And it was actually a really great option. My batteries lasted 5 years at $75 a battery from Walmart. And since then, I've been presented with the option of a little bit more expensive, but in the long run, it should save me quite a bit of money, is this 36 volt lithium ion conversion. Currently right now, this is on sale. I don't know if it's like a special like Black Friday kind of thing, but I know for this month it's on sale. The entire kit, which is going to be the 36 volt lithium battery, the onboard charger, the separate LCD display, everything right now is on sale for $799 on Amazon with free shipping, obviously if you're a Prime member. So I'm excited about this. Like, it's the price is right, the unbelievable, the distance you're going to get, a little bit of a speed increasement, maybe 1 to 2 mile per hour faster than it was prior. Most people are saying these lithium conversions are lasting 5, if not 10 plus years. So this was a pretty easy conversion. I'll show you some little clips here of how I did the install. I didn't want to cut my cart up yet. So some people might actually take their battery tray and actually cut it and re-weld it. So for the time being, I just put in some 2x10 boards, and then I was able to then shoot screws through the like the brackets to hold the battery down to the board. Very simple install of as wiring. You obviously have the positive negative from your golf cart, then you have the onboard charger, and then on a 36 volt TXT golf cart, there's a safety wire from the original charging port. So you just run that safety wire. That's this single red wire. There's a single red wire from over here. You just follow it through the harness, and you bring it over here, and you just jump it. That's all you gotta do to make it run fine. It includes this really nice charger. Let me come to the other side over here. So for the time being, I have the 36 volt charger on board. I was able to put the bolts in to hold it down. I wanted to make sure this is up and going and working great before I decide to permanently install the LCD display on my cart. Come spring, I'll mount it up here on the actual cart itself. Very simple, easy to read. Let me hold this button. Let me switch hands here real quick so I can... There we go. But very easy to read display. Let me see here. I believe it's touch screen. There we go. So right now, I'd say there's about an hour and a little bit over an hour of driving, and still at 76% charged. So I'm seeing maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 hours of driving. I'm not sure yet. But so far, it's working out great, and I would recommend this to anybody. Like I said, for $7.99, it's a heck of a deal. Even the regular price is $8.99. I don't know if it's just a special, like I said, maybe for Black Friday this time of year. But everything works exactly the same. The only thing that I haven't done that doesn't include in the kit, it's up to you. They make a reducer that reduces from 36 volts back down to 12 volts to wire up the headlights, and or if I want to add a radio at some point. But those reducers, I think those are like $20 on Amazon or $20 on eBay. So I might add that in the future just because this golf cart does have headlights, and obviously I want to get the headlights back up and going if I need to drive it at nighttime. But guys, so far, thumbs up, love it. There's a decent hill in my backyard. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can really feel the power. Well, it's hard to tell. There's a pond up there in the backyard. But the power going up the hill is unbelievable. Like I said, my top speed, this cart before was only going about 15 miles an hour, and now I'm getting between 16 to 17 miles per hour. You're not going to notice a big difference, but like I said, maybe 1 to 2 miles per hour. But guys, I can't say anything more. This company, Mosasaur, unbelievable. I should have done this sooner, but like I said, I was set on those deep cycle battery conversion, and like I said, it was a great conversion itself, as in I didn't want to spend over $1,000 on golf cart batteries anymore. And I had problems with those Trojan batteries. They were lasting me 4 to 5 years, and it was costing, with inflation now, I was paying like $1,200-1,300. I was just like, oh, I'm done with that. I'd look for a different option. That's why I went with the deep cycle batteries. I think Walmart now charges $89 for the per deep cycle battery, but you can still see my videos of doing that conversion if you'd like to go the cheaper route. But I think this, the power, how long it's, the charge stays up, this is going to be the deal for $799, guys. Thanks for watching my channel.